Today I'm going to show you how to hang your new sign using our hanging wire kit. Step 1. Thread the top of the wire through both of the ceiling mounts. If there's any overhang, trim above the ceiling mount using pliers. Step 2. Measure the distance between the holes in the backboard on the top of the sign. Using these measurements, screw the ceiling mounts to the ceiling using a drill and screws. Adjust the hanging wire length to ensure that the sign sits level. Step 3. Thread the cable wire through one of the aluminum crimp holes. Then thread the wire through the holes in the acrylic backboard. Step 4. Thread the wire back through the other hole of the aluminum crimp, ensuring that 1 centimeter of wire remains sticking out. Clamp the aluminum crimp tightly and secure the wire. And that's how you use the hanging kit to hang your sign from the ceiling.